Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens transaction for you guys. A very small haul. It's not really that many deals at Walgreens that interest me this week, so it's a little bit slow, but this is what I have so far. These deals started today, which is April 3rd, and they are good up until Saturday, April 9th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay guys, I will also have a Google document linked in the description box below, just in case you guys would like to pull that up and take it to the store with you if you plan on doing some of these deals. So to start off, I used a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. And then I also paired that with a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. So with this transaction, I only had one issue, and that one issue was that my registry reward did not print for the Bounty, Charmin, and the Gain deal. And I also confirmed that by doing a second transaction and just purchasing the Gain liquid laundry detergent, and I still did not receive it, but we're going to talk about that. So first up right here, you guys, I went ahead and I purchased 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 back in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $3 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $4.98. And then you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2. That will bring your total down to 98 cents for both, or it'll make each one just 49 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Crest Scope mouthwash, and this is the 16.9 ounce. I grabbed 3 of those, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 3 at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $12. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12 minus that $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $7. And then you will receive back this $5 registry reward for purchasing 3. With receiving back this $5 registry reward, that's going to bring your total down to just $2 for all 3, or it's going to make each one just 66 cents. So yeah, once I saw this registry reward right here print, I automatically knew that it was for the Crest Scope mouthwash, because when I did my second transaction for these 4 Gain right here, these 4 Gain, it didn't print for me. So that was confirmation that the registry reward is not printing for the Gain. And then speaking of that, lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed the Gain liquid laundry detergent, the Gain flings, Bounty paper towels, 6 equals 8, and then a Charmin tissue, 6 equals 24. So with these items this week at Walgreens, they are priced at $5.49. And the deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 4, mix and match. I purchased the liquid, the flings, the paper towels, and the Charmin tissue. There is a 25-cent digital coupon for the Charmin tissue on the Walgreens app. There is a 25-cent digital for the Bounty paper towel. And then also I went to the PG Good Everyday website and I printed off a $1 printable coupon for the Gain flings. I was looking for a $1 for the liquid, but PG Good Everyday didn't have one. So in coupons total, I used $1.50. So when you purchase all 4 items, that's going to bring your total to $21.96 minus the $1.50 in coupons. That brought my total down to $20.46. And then when you buy 4, you will receive back that $5 in registry rewards, or at least you're supposed to receive back $5 in registry rewards. That's going to bring your total down to $15.46 for all 4 items, or it'll make each item $3.86. So again, the $5 registry reward did not print for me. And then I turned around and I did a second transaction and I just purchased 4 of the Gain liquid, and it still did not print. But I did go ahead and fill out the Catalina form. So I should be receiving both of those $5 registry rewards in the mail. Normally, whenever I do that, you guys, Catalina always sends me my registry rewards. I'm not worried about that. So I am going to still include that $5 registry reward into this transaction as if I already got it, because I know that I'm going to get it anyway. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So now let me just go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there are the Crest Scope mouthwash, 3 at $4, so $12 total. The Charmin tissue, $5.49. Bounty paper towels, $5.49. The Gain Flings, $5.49. Gain liquid, $5.49. And then both of my Colgate toothpaste at $3.99, so $7.98. And then the point coupon purchase, that is the paper spin booster that I had, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. The $1 paper coupon for the Gain liquid, $5 digital for the Crest Scope, $3 digital for the Colgate, 25-cent for the Bounty, and the 25-cent for the Charmin. So it brought my subtotal to $32.44, not including taxes. And when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $19.77. So again, my total came out to be $32.44. I earned back $19.77. So of that $19, I got back $5 for spending $20. That is from my digital booster. $9 for spending $40. That is for my paper booster. The $4 in Walgreens cash rewards for the Colgate. And then the extra $1.77 is from the extra Walgreens everyday points. So that's a total of $19.77. That's where all of that came from. So $32.44 minus the $19.77, that brought my total down to $12.67. Plus the $5 registry reward for the Crest Scope mouthwash and the $5 registry reward for the Bounty in the Gain. That's a total of $10 in registry rewards. So $12.67 minus the $10 in registry rewards. So my grand total for all of this, you guys, I paid a total of $2.62. I have 9 items. So when you divide that $2.62 by the 9 items that I have, that makes each item just 30 cents. So this was still a great transaction for me, you guys, to only pay $2.62 for all of this. This is absolutely great. So again, small haul, but I'm very happy with it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget, guys, to submit your receipts to the PG Good Everyday website so that you can get some points for these P&G items. Also, don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you're not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. I submitted my first receipt and I got some points back for my Colgate. And then on my second receipt, I didn't have any qualifying offers, but I did get 25 points just for scanning my receipt. So that is going to be it, you guys. Don't forget, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, along with the notification bell. And then also, if you are not following me on Instagram, my link is in the description box below. So that is going to be it. Again, leave your questions down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.